Hello everyone, welcome. If this is your first time here, if this is a return trip for you, welcome back. This is the Frugal Planner channel. My name is April, and it is again a very early morning. I am setting up my vertical layout in my spiral notebook that is the 9.5 by 6. I know this is probably one of the most popular planner layouts, so I did want to show it on the channel and show you how easy it is to set it up. I know I flipped through this when I was originally showing you the different layouts that I did in this planner and did the measurements, but I'll go ahead and do those again. I am going to apologize for the bird that is really making a ruckus outside my window. He is having the best morning. So we are looking at 3.5 centimeters for each column. And then I just went straight down the page. This is the Pen and Gear ballpoint pen. It's pretty juicy, and this paper is not toothy enough to soak it up fast. So I do get a little bit of smudging every once in a while. I think on this side I used the Pen and Gear gel pen, which worked out better, but it did bleed through a little bit. So it's kind of a little bit of whatever you can tolerate. If you can tolerate a little bit of bleed through and ghosting, or if you can't tolerate that, then a little bit of extra dry time with the ballpoint. Your choice. It has been a very productive and busy week so far. I swear the garden has grown like 4 feet in just a few days, which is amazing. Mother Nature just absolutely amazes me. I wanted to get down my week. It's taken me a few minutes to figure out, or a few days to figure out exactly how. I got a bug. I got a gnat on my desk. I don't know where they come from, but they love my work area. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm not sure what is up with the layout because I knew I wanted to do it, but it took me a bit to like get it down on paper. Setting up a new notebook can be tricky. The key is don't be afraid to make a mistake because it's just a notebook. It's just a spiral notebook paper. So let's go ahead. I'm going to fill in the week just as a normal week. So going over here on the sidebar in my header, I am going to write in July. Just like that. Just like that. I painted my nails too, and I may have gone a little over into my nail bed, so I apologize. And then I'm going to do my market list here. And this is not my food market list. This is going to be like things that I know I need to put on my shopping list for next week, whether that be toilet paper, dishwasher detergent, which are the 2 things that I need to put down here. They have nothing to do with food, but we still need to get them at the market. Then I'm going to come down here and I am going to do, in fact, I think I'm going to outline this just to make this stand out a little bit more like a header. Chores this week. I'm going to do circles because circles are sometimes easier for me and it breaks up the squares of the monotony of having a bunch of checklists. So I'm just going to do circles. And this is going to be a list for the whole week. This is not something that I'm going to try to accomplish on one day. That's why I'm putting it in the menu bar or the sidebar. Does anyone know what kind of bird that is? It's pretty happy. It's a happy bird, whatever it is. Okay, And then I think at the very top, I'm gonna do the weather. So it is gonna be sunshine all week long. The easiest way for me to draw sun is to do 4 points and then go back in between. If I try to just do it around, my lines become crooked. I don't know why. Wednesday's gonna be a hot one. Yikes. So I've got the weather there, and then I want to put in here 20 minutes on the treadmill. And I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna block this off because this is important. All right, he is right by the window. Hold on. He literally made the jump from the tree to the windowsill. He was like, "Good morning, April. I hear you talking. What are you doing?" All right, so we've got that in there too. I've got work. So do this a little bit different, set it off a little bit. I have an ortho appointment on Tuesday at 12:55. I thought it was 11:55, but it's 12:55. So I will be leaving work for the rest of the day after that appointment is done. So I did mark that in here. When I get home from this, I'm going to be filming. And that will take me probably right up until the evening, which is good. I need to get some filming done for this channel. I haven't been very good getting things done on the weekend. It's been nice outside, so I've been enjoying the garden, and we have a pool, so we've been sitting in the pool and just, you know, letting life pass us by. Isn't that a song? Life Pass Us By. I want to say it's by America. I want to say that line is in a song and it's by America. Maybe, maybe not. So you guys all know what I'm making for dinner if you've watched any of my other Plan With Me's this week. So Monday, I'm going to put down here, I think I'm going to do it at the, should I do it at the very, very bottom? I could. Then I'm looking at smudging. So let's not do that. Let's pop in here. So after work, I need to stop at the P.O. box. That reminds me, I also need to go to the P.O. box for work. So maybe on Wednesday on my way in, I'll stop and get work P.O. box. I could totally do that. And then dinner, I may have put that down too low, but it's fine. Dinner is going to be vegetable stir fry. Thankfully, this isn't hourly, so I'm not really worried about having these in two separate places. It just means I have things that I want to get done, and it might take me, you know, that section. Orange chicken. Chow mein. Perfect. And then I need to put in here my journaling. And I'm going to block that off. So that is the first half of the week so far. That is what it's going to look like. I like that. And I don't think there's anything. Oh, I do have a payment on Wednesday. So Wednesday we've got, or sorry, Tuesday. We've got a payment coming out. Easy peasy. Let me know what you think down below. This is very functional, but I still drew circles. I did some outlines. I did some bubbles just to bring, I even drew an envelope just to bring a little visual texture and interest to this layout. Is this something you would find yourself coming back to, or is it something that you need a little bit more oomph to? If you need a little bit more oomph, let me know down below. And when I fill out the second part of the week, I will give you some ideas on how to add maybe some doodles or some more visual texture to make it a little bit more interesting. I love you. I hope you have an amazing day. I will meet you down in the comments. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.